not. Hello everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Doesn't that sound really corny when I say that? Welcome back to my channel. You know where you are, right? If you hit that play button, thank you so much for hitting the play button. Hey, if you're new, hit the subscribe button. It's free, cost you nothing, girl. Hit that notification button. It's a bell. And whenever I make a new video, it pops up on your phone, says Lisa made a new video. Go check and see what the Wingnut's saying today. Anyway, it's December. I mean, Christmas is next Saturday, girl. Haven't got not one gift bought yet. But, you know, I was keeping track, right? I got Topbox, and I know we're all going, okay. Like, we've been paying attention to Topbox now since September because Topbox sucked for a year and a half. 2 years it probably sucked. Let me tell you, I think it was in 2019, Topbox was really good, right? And they would have really good pre-bay boxes. Pre-bay is around like the 24th of the month. You'll get an email if you subscribe to Topbox. It's $15 a month Canadian. It's only in Canada, okay? So if you subscribe, just subscribe today, you might get January. But if you subscribe after the 20th, that's when they take the payment out, then you'll probably get February, right? Or you might even go on a wait list, because I've heard people were on a wait list. Anyway, it was great in 2019. Like, the pre-bay boxes, there was choices there. If you select you want one of the pre-bay boxes, you're not guaranteed to get it. But if you did, you know, great box, right? Or you can get the regular box, which is what I have, the regular box. And then they would have beauty surprises for $10 plus tax, so $11. And sometimes we would get stuff as a beauty surprise that was over $100. Like great perfume, great makeup stuff. It was fabulous. And then it just went downhill. Like it just went downhill. And I'm wondering, did new owners take over Topbox, or was it because there were so many people subscribed to Topbox? Now, Topbox and Luxebox, I say it's pretty much the same company. They say Luxebox is a sister company that comes out every 3 months. It's $34, I think, something like that, every 3 months. And in that box, you're supposed to get 7 items. Never a guarantee of full size or deluxe size. I haven't re-signed up to that. I don't know. We'll see. I haven't seen any Lux boxes that maybe went, okay, I need to resubscribe to that one. But I resubscribed for this one in September. And I've been liking what they have put in it, right? It's different from the crap they were putting in it before. So, you know, we're kind of wary, right? Because Topbox will get us in one box and the next box is like, okay, it's garbage again, you know? So we've all been kind of wary about Topbox. Anyways, this is December. And there is a beauty surprise for this month. I didn't pick the pre-bay boxes, but if I remember, I believe there was something from Clarins in the pre-bay box. I can't remember what else, but it wasn't anything that float my boat kind of thing, right? So I didn't choose that I would like a pre-bay box over the regular box. But I will say that since I've been subscribed in September, I think the boxes have been getting so much better than what we remember, because it was crap for all of 2020. Maybe it was in 2018 when it was really good. Like all of 2020 and half of 2021, you know. So we're going to see what's in this box. So I'm going to show you what the beauty surprise is first. I haven't seen any spoilers, so I think I've seen one. No way. This is the beauty surprise. Now, I believe I did. Did I get this before? Oh my God, this is the Biosense Squalene Plus Antioxidant Cleansing Oil. This is not cheap. I wish I had my other phone here to tell you how much it is, but I know this company isn't cheap. This is full size. Gently removes waterproof makeup and impurities. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm going to open it on the bottom. I don't want to rip this box because I can't really use cleansing oils. It makes me break out in white little bumps. And I know this stuff is expensive. I don't know, maybe I can sell it for a good price or something, but I know this is an expensive brand at Sephora. That's what it looks like. Apply to dry face with fingertips and water and continue to massage face to break down makeup and impurities. Awesome. Awesome. Yay. Best beauty surprise I think I've seen in a year and a half. Honest to God. This is pretty cool, right? This is pretty cool. Okay, that's a good thing. And that cost me $11. So in total, this whole box cost me about $26, $27, right? Beauty surprise included in that. So this is good. This is really good. Are they getting back on track? I mean, this is the type of stuff that we would see, that we've seen in the boxes in 2019 and, you know, maybe even 2018. You know, the stuff that went, wow, this is a great box for $15. And back then we were paying $13 for it, I think it was, right? So, or maybe it's $15 now, so it cost me $17. Yeah, so it's $15 Canadian plus your tax, whatever province you're in. So I think it's like $17 and change, right? Okay, happy about that. Very happy about this beauty surprise. Now, what's in here? Okay, we had a, looks like it's a lip liner from Nude by Nature. And girls, I gotta tell you, I might like this color. I almost wish it might have been a little bit darker, but it's a nice nude color. Looks like. This is a Nude by Nature. I need them glasses, y'all. Where are them glasses at? I can't see nothing. Honey, where are those reading glasses? Do you know? I need to get a pair and just leave them right here on my desk, because I can't tell you what that says. Oh my gosh, I cannot tell you what this says. Lip pencil. I'm trying to find the name of it. I can't even read what the name is, to be honest. Oh, it just says nude. Okay. 02 nude. Let's try. So it's like that nudie peachy. I mean, she's kind of peachy. I wish, this is the color. If you can see that. That is the color right there. That's what it looks like on my hand. Maybe here you might, it's very nude. Very, very nudie. Nudie. She's a nudie patootie right here. I like a little bit browner lip liner. Oh, FYI, girls, I bought 2 lip liners off a Facebook page from Colourpop. Some girl was selling it, and I grabbed them, and I like them. I actually have a combination of them on right now. These are the 2 that I grabbed from the Facebook page for $5. Can't go wrong, you know. I think, and I grabbed another one, and it's so hard to tell. I thought that was brown, but it's not. It's like this burgundy kind of red color. Purple or something like that. That's what it's like. So this is not my shade. $5 though. Okay, you know, I thought it was brown, but it's not. Oh my god, it was $5. But these 2 Colourpop, this one here is called Curvin or something. That's the shade right there. If you like a brown nude lip liner, and look on, I'm telling you, Kiss and Makeup, there's always a page. Oh, thank you, baby. There's always a page, someone's always selling these Colourpop lip liners, and this is the other one for like $5. And I wouldn't pay any more than $5 for it, you know, because you got it on special, the whole bunch of them anyway for 20, right? 18 in a pack, $20, something like that. This one here is called Beeper. So, love those. I'm always on the hunt for a nice nude lip liner. This one here is nude, but I like a darker brown nude. But some people might like this. Like, it'd be nice, I guess, if you were doing a light pink lipstick, maybe you would like this shade, right? Okay, so we got a lip liner. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at the lip liner. Next thing in here, we got this little tiny primer. Oh, wow. Okay, little tiny Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Can you see this? I mean, this we actually got before. My hair is wet. That's why I'm pulling at it, trying to get it to dry and not to be so naughty. But we got this full-size item in our Topbox before in like 2018 or 2019. We did. We got the full-size bottle. This is what's in the box. I'm not happy with this. I mean, if the rest of the box is great, then I'll be like, okay, you threw in a sample. Okay. Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer Primer. It's a moisturizer in one. I mean, wow, that is small. That is small, though. Holy knickers. What size are you? Like I can tell with my eyes. You know, you hit over 40, that's it. You're done, right? Anyways, so we got that. That should have been an extra, in my opinion. Wow. Okay, I'm going to tell you, I'm not lying about this box, okay? This was fabulous, all right? But if you didn't get this, I don't think you're going to be happy with this box. I really don't think you will be because it's a lot of little tiny things in here. This is Play Tint from Benefit, and it's the little mini lip and cheek tint. I mean, it's good products, but they're so flippin' small. These are so tiny. You know, you can't even open it because you can't get your hands around it, right? But I guess, you know, we get IPSY. So for $20 and change, we get IPSY and we get these items in IPSY, right? You know, so I suppose, you know, $17 is really up to the person. Do we consider this a good box for $17? You know, I don't know. See, because we would have gotten probably the full size of this maybe in IPSY. Maybe? Have we? So that's what it looks like. You can use it as a blush or you can use it as a lipstick. Never tried this. I might just give it a try and see what it's like as a blush. I wouldn't use it as a lipstick because that pink that's just not my shade. That's just ain't doing it. No. Okay, and the last thing in this box, and like we've gotten this sample free before. This is a free sample. We've gotten it in a bigger one. Oh, this is the eye cream. Okay, hold up. Okay, maybe I should shut up because this is the eye cream. This is Bioderma, and it's the 8 ml eye cream. You got a coupon in here for $3 off, so maybe I should shut up. Because Bioderma is not, you know, cheap either, right? And it's a good brand. I know Bioderma is a good brand. So if this was like a moisturizer or something, I would have been like, are you kidding me? We get this all the time, you know? They have this little thing on Facebook, and you just go in, you put in your address, and you get it sent to you all the time, a free sample, right? But this is the eye cream, so this makes a little bit of a difference here. You know, it's 8 ml, which usually a full size of this anyway would be about 15 ml. Eye creams are not big bottles, right? So 8 ml, the Atoderm Intensive Eye Cream. So I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at this. Okay, it just makes you go, when you see such small sizes in your box. You know what I mean? So this is good. I'm not mad at that. Bioderma is a great brand. She's not cheap, I don't think. If I can find the prices, I'll let you know. You know, as I'm pulling the things out of the box, how much the box really cost. That's all right. Not mad at that. I think what gets me in this box is this little tiny sample size of primer. I mean, girl, she is so tiny. Like, and it just feels like water. This primer feels like water. Yeah. But I suppose a little tiny dab like that and covers your whole face. I haven't tried this primer. I think I might have to give it a try. Let me know, have you tried it? Because I know, like I said, we got the full size in our boxes before. Let me know, what do you think with this primer? So that's what we got for $17. Okay, so I'm not mad. Okay, I'm not mad at what's inside the box because the brands are good. I mean, Nude Nut by Nature, yeah, could have been. I think I would have preferred an NYX lip liner over Nude by Nature because I don't like personally a lot of their stuff. I really don't, right? But I'm happy to get the lip liner. I wish it was kind of my shade, but a lot of people will like this shade, you know? And it's a good brand. I don't prefer it, but I know it's a good brand, right? So we got the lip liner. We got this little mini lip and tint cheek from Benefit, which we love Benefit. You know, so, okay, it's just the sizes are kind of a little bit off-putting, you know. And we got the eye cream for Bioderma. So you got great brands here. It's not Larizzi. It ain't Miss Bella Manigadar, because that girl, I mean, she just, I think she must be like immortal or something, right? She's like a vampire or something because she just don't give up. She don't go away. Like, she just don't go away. You know, and it's not the other one. Who was the other one? Larizzi, Manigadar, Deuce. It ain't that one either, you know, overpriced made in China stuff, right? So we got 4 great brands in the box for $17. It's just the sizes are a little bit off-putting for these two. You know, this is full size and this is 8 ml eye cream. Can't go wrong with that, right? So I'm not mad at the box. They are getting better brands in the box. If one of these happened to be full size, it would have been like a bang box, you know? It would have been like, wow, right? That's a great box. So I'm not mad at it. I think what's off-putting is the little tiny sizes. It didn't make it look like a big box if all you got was the box. But I think you're going to be happy with this box regardless because of the brands. And it's good stuff, right? You know, I do think they're getting better. I do. I can't wait to see what's coming in January. I hope they get better. Their box in January is better. But since September, every box has been getting better and better and better. And like, seriously, this is the beauty surprise. So maybe they are picking it up. You know, I'm happy I resubscribed. I really am. I'm happy I resubscribed. I might eat my words come January, but right now I'm very happy I resubscribed because, you know, I'm going to use this and I'm going to use this. I'll try it. I'm going to try to use this, right? It's not the same crap you used to always get. So this is cool. I'm happy. Sizes could be a little bit better, but I'm happy with it. Anyway, I don't know. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Are you thinking about resubscribing? Like, what have you thought in the last couple of months with the boxes? I literally think that they are getting better. Maybe they hurt us, you know? So, I'm not mad at it. And I think it's a good box. Anyway, happy Thursday. I'm going bowling now. I will be making a video tomorrow. You will see me tomorrow. Mwah. Bye. Love you.